How to join a Zoom meeting in iPhone. First up, head towards the App Store and download the Zoom One Platform to Connect app. Then click on Open and open the app, and here you can see an option called Join Meeting, Sign Up and Sign In. Click on Join Meeting and then keep your name in the screen name option. In the Meeting ID section, enter the meeting ID that you have been provided to join a meeting. A meeting ID is a 10-digit number that is unique to each meeting and can be given away by the host. Upon entering a valid meeting ID, as you can see on the screen, the Join button will be highlighted. Click on Join and then enter the meeting passcode, which will also be given away along with the meeting ID. Connect yourself through audio and then give access to your microphone and video. You can speak by either swiping towards the left or clicking the unmute option. And this is how you can easily join a Zoom meeting in your iPhone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Keep watching for more and subscribe to our channel.